Let's talk about the Nissan GT-R R35. They call it Godzilla for a reason. This ain't no regular sports car. This is a street-legal weapon that embarrassed Ferraris and Lamborghinis for half the price. Under the hood, you got the VR38 DETT, 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6, hand-built by 5 master technicians in Yokohama. Each engine gets a nameplate with their signatures. Stock, 480 to 600 horsepower depending on year. But throw a tune, downpipes, and bigger turbos, easy 800 to 1000 plus horsepower. We talking 850 Newton meters of torque at 3,500 RPM. Transmission is the famous GR6 dual clutch. 6-speed automated manual with paddle shifters. Shifts in 0.15 seconds. It bangs gears like a shotgun. 3 modes: normal, snow, and R mode for track. And yes, it has launch control. You hold the traction button, stomp both pedals, release brake, and the car leaves like a missile. 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds stock. The ATESA ETS all-wheel drive system sets this beast apart. It sends up to 100% torque to the rear normally, but when it detects slip, it channels power to the front wheels instantly using a clutch pack. No other AWD feels as raw and predictable. You can drift it or grip it. Now chassis. The GT-R is heavy, around 3,800 pounds, but the suspension setup is advanced. Double wishbone front, multi-link rear, with extreme low suspension mods, coilovers like Öhlins or KW, or even airbags. You drop it till the side skirts kiss pavement. Camber arms, toe arms, aftermarket control arms let you get that aggressive stance without ruining geometry. Brakes, Brembo 6-piston front, 4-piston rear, drilled and ventilated discs, stopping from 60 in under 105 feet. Red or gold calipers, you choose. Wheels and tires. Stock runs 20-inch forged alloys with 255/40 up front and 285/35 rear. Modified, stretch 305s in the back, 2075s up front on deep dish wheels like TE37 or Workmeister. Variants. There's GT-R Premium, Track Edition, Nismo, 600 horsepower, Nismo Special Edition, 600 horsepower with upgrades. The Nismo has carbon brakes, carbon roof, and tuned suspension. Skyline heritage lives in this car. Production started in 2007 and ended in 2024 for the R35. Over 16 years with very few changes. That's how good the formula was. The new R36 might come hybrid, but real ones respect the R35. So that's Godzilla. Extreme low, fully built, ripping through mountain roads and highways. If you hear a deep growl with a loud BOV, step aside. It's the king of budget supercar slayers. Extreme low means you tuck tire into fenders. Fender rolling and pulling required. Interior, not luxury, but driver-focused. Recaro bucket seats, leather and Alcantara. Carbon fiber dash inserts, multifunction display shows boost, oil temp, transmission temp, G-force. Steering wheel is thick, flat bottom with machined paddles. Back seats are small, good for groceries or kids. Trunk holds a golf bag or a subwoofer. Aerodynamics. Front bumper has large intakes for intercooler and brakes. Side skirts are low and wide. Rear wing is carbon, functional, not just for looks. Underbody panels flatten airflow. Drag coefficient is 0.26, pretty slick for a boxy shape. Modification culture. People swap turbos, port the block, install flex fuel kits for E85, upgrade intercoolers, and run anti-lag systems. Exhaust goes from stock vacuum cleaner sound to straight pipe thunder. And with extreme low suspension, these cars look like they're melting onto the pavement.